Today we're checking out this McLeod RXT Twin Disc 1000 horsepower ceramic clutch kit with an 8-bolt steel flywheel and a 23 spline input for the 2011 to 2017 Mustang GT and the 2012 and 13 Mustang Boss 302. If you're making some real power and you need a clutch setup that can actually keep up without turning the car into something that's miserable to drive and you still want it as a daily driver maybe, this is the kind of drivetrain upgrade that makes a lot of sense, so it's definitely worth looking into. This is a true performance clutch upgrade built for street and track use. And the biggest feature is going to be the 1000 horsepower rating. That's going to tell you right away that this isn't a mild stock replacement. It's built for Mustangs that have real power mods and need stronger holding capacity. This uses a twin full face disc setup with high-tech ceramic friction material, which is a huge reason someone would go for a particular kit like this. A twin disc design spreads the load across more friction surface, and you get the holding power needed for hard launches and aggressive driving while keeping engagement more usable than some super harsh single disc race setups. It's also going to include the very high strength 8-bolt steel flywheel on the backside and an alignment tool for helping it get in place properly. So you're going to be getting a matched package that works seamlessly together instead of piecing together a clutch and hoping that the flywheel and hardware work the way you want it to and play nice together. Now when it comes to the construction on this, you are getting that twin full face clutch disc like we talked about with ceramic friction material paired with that high strength 8-bolt steel flywheel. The kit's going to include a pressure plate and the alignment tool in the box, so the install is going to go as smooth as possible. The ceramic and steel combo is exactly what you want in a high horsepower street/race setup because it's built for heat tolerance, durability, and strong engagement under load. When it comes to the pricing on this, it's coming in right around that $1,300 price range. For a twin disc ceramic clutch kit that includes that steel flywheel, that's a fair price because you're buying a complete high capacity setup built for serious power, not just a basic clutch disc and a pressure plate combo. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated the full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 5 hours of your time if everything goes smooth. If you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to get this done properly, then it's a good idea to just hire a professional or take it into a shop to make sure this install is done correctly. That's going to wrap up our review and install of the McLeod RXT Twin Disc 1000 horsepower ceramic clutch kit with 8-bolt steel flywheel and a 23 spline input for the 2011 to 17 Mustang GT and the 2012 to 13 Mustang Boss 302. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.